Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I have another product I received from this brand called iFLYTEK, and they have launched this new AI powered translator. I am in Montreal right now and I don't speak a lot of French. So this is the package I got. Oh, nice. So it actually looks like a smartphone box. Smart translator doesn't actually say anything else on the box. I think we should open it and see to know like what all features does it have and everything. But first look, it just looks like a smartphone. A lot of you might think like, why should you have like a separate device? I have the same question. So packaging looks exactly like a iPhone box. Let's open this. Yeah, right. Here we have just like an accessories box maybe. Let's see what's inside this. Okay, that's it. Oh, I didn't know this. So we need to put a SIM card in this. So it works on its own, like with like a cellular data, I guess. I think you can do that, and also maybe with like Wi-Fi, I'm not sure. But we have this SIM removal, yeah, like a very manual on how to use this. I think they have like different languages in this, yeah. So it's just a product information, and we have the device here. It actually looks like a very thin smartphone. They have all these indicators here. All these entire areas like the microphone. So they have like different microphones here. And there's the power button on this side, and then volume up and volume down. You can attach a rope to this, and then they have USB-C in the bottom. There's a microphone here, and we also have a camera behind. So that's another feature in this. And then if we take this out, we don't have much. We just have a USB A to C cable. Oh, it actually feels like very premium, and also like the finishing and everything. Metal alloy kind of a casing. You can easily hold it in your hand. Like it's really compact. It's not like a smartphone where it feels like it's slipping out of your hand when you hold it without any case. So let's peel this. Oh yeah, it's really nice. They have a OLED display. Hold down the power button, it's gonna turn on. Yes, feels like I'm holding an Android smartphone. You have the welcome screen, and then they have different languages. I'm gonna click English. Okay. Oh, the touch is so nice on this. So yeah, it's searching for SIM card or Wi-Fi. I'm gonna connect to my Wi-Fi. So yeah guys, this is an Android device because I remember this keyboard. You don't actually need to put like a separate SIM card for this. Carrying your phone, you can just give like a hotspot or something. So I'm gonna click start here. It's connected to my Wi-Fi now. I have this welcome screen. Okay, that's all. It's already there. So slide the bottom up to bring a list of languages. I'm gonna slide up. Okay, common languages, Chinese, English, obviously. I'm just gonna click my language. I'm gonna choose Tamil here. Voice translation setting, physical buttons. What is this? Place the top of the translator close to your mouth and speak. Maximum recognition 10 centimeter. Put down to translation. Auto translate the other party's voice. Okay, so I think I can turn that on. And they also have like offline translation. So I think we should download that. So if we download that, we don't actually need internet. So they have face-to-face translation. What is that? So this is the app which we want. Okay, you obtain free global traffic free for 2 years. But yeah, that's pretty much with the settings and everything. So we can swipe back to come here. If you want to read something, or if you want to read any language, you can just keep it something like this. Translate this smart translator to Chinese. So we can take a picture and then it's translating. Oh, nice. This is like the photo mode where you can take a picture and read whatever is there. Like let's say like here the common thing which I always get is like we go to a bar or like a restaurant. There's like a French menu and we want to read it, so we go to our phones and all that. So we can use that there. But yeah, this is what I want to try. Let's do this. I'm gonna speak in Tamil and then I'm gonna see like how it translates to English. வணக்கம், எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? ஒரு பார்த்து ரொம்ப நாள் ஆகுது. எல்லாம் எப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு?
Hello, how are you? Are you good? It's been a long day. How's everything going?
It's nice. So I'm gonna do like the reverse of this now. Let's choose English and then I'm gonna see if it's gonna speak in Tamil. So the weather today is like really bad. It's been raining since morning and we're not able to go outside anywhere.
எனவே இன்றைய வானிலை மிகவும் மோசமாக இருக்கிறது. காலை முதல் மழை பெய்து வருகிறது. நாங்கள் எங்கும் வெளியே செல்ல முடியவில்லை.
Actually, it sounds like someone is speaking on like a news channel in like a very pure form of Tamil, but I can understand it, so I'm good. Oh, that's so nice. Can we do French, because that's most wanted thing for me here. So the weather today is like really bad here. It's been raining since morning. We're not able to go outside anywhere.
Donc, le temps aujourd'hui est vraiment mauvais ici. Il pleut depuis le matin. Nous ne pouvons sortir nulle part.
I mean, yeah, that's pretty much what we need with the translator, right? So it's really convenient to have this. I think there are apps in your smartphone which can do this. This is just a device for specifically made for that. They're already giving me like a SIM card already inside there. I think it's like an eSIM maybe. So they're giving it for like 2 years for free. I can see 4G here, so it's already connected. I think they have an eSIM here then. So I'm just not sure what is this face-to-face translation. So no, I'm gonna speak in English. Oh, okay. So this is like the one which you speak to another person like in front of you. So you just choose their language on this side and then choose what you're gonna speak on the other side. So hey, how are you? How has it been? Like it's been a really good day today. Do you want to like go somewhere and eat something?
अरे आप कैसे हैं? कैसा चल रहा है? यह लंबे समय से है. क्या आप कहीं जाकर खाना चाहते हैं?
Oh yeah, so you can see. So you don't even need to like turn your screen and give it to them or something. So you can just show them. They can read it, or it's gonna speak to them, and then they speak again, and then you just read it. It's like really convenient. So the screen switches that way. They only have like display settings and then like sound and vibration, and then like system updates and network and connection. So pretty much you cannot actually do anything in this. You only have a camera, which again is only used to translate stuff. Pretty much both interfaces are like for the same purpose. They just have like a different UI there. I just recorded everything and then I'm just gonna click to translate.
Comme arrête et puis comme parle, ce que tu veux, tu se dis ce que tu veux. Et puis je suis juste comme parler et puis tu peux à nouveau aimer taper sur l'autre bout de l'embouchure.
I don't know if we can select like an already spoken message and then like translate that again. I don't see anything there. Gesture mode here. So yeah, but you have to be like really close. I bring it here and then like I speak whatever I want and then it's instantly translating. Screen has to be open, so we need to swipe, go here. Translating like in real time, it's actually doing there, and then like once you take it away,
Gardez-le vraiment proche comme ça et vous ne pouvez pas bouger votre main.
they have pretty much like most of these widely spoken languages, but they don't have like every language. They have like around 50 to 60 languages like for like speaking, and then like if you come to this camera mode, they have like even more. Let's see if it translates all these things to French. Oh, so you can even highlight the text. Oh, you just do like a brush kind of a thing, and then whichever you select it just translates. But yeah, I just wanted to translate the entire thing. I'm just gonna take full screen here. It only takes like maybe like 5 seconds. It's fully translated. So if we go to offline translations, it already has these things. So if you want anything extra, it says like 220 MB, 377 MB. And do they have a storage? It has 16 GB storage, but just to like store like language data, I don't think we need that much. Whatever I use right now, it's only like few MB. It still has like 8 GB storage. I think you should be good. You're not going to store anything else. I think this is really useful if you're a traveler. If you're gonna visit like different countries where they speak like different languages, you can probably use it at most of the places. But if you're gonna go to like any like very small country where they speak like a very not known language, that's not gonna be, any language that's not on the list, again, it's a problem. But it's only really useful for like people who travel a lot. I'm not sure like how good is the battery and everything. This is just a first impressions, but compared to like a smartphone which you use pretty much all the time, and then you also use like a translate app on that, then battery is going to drain. In that case, I think this is good, but obviously this battery will not be as huge as like a smartphone's battery, but I think it should be enough for this device. Do you actually need like a physical device to do this? Like everyone has like a smartphone. For someone in my case who's living in Montreal, like I only know the basics of French, so I don't actually speak it like in a conversation. I don't know that much. Whenever I want to ask something to someone or do that, it might be useful for me. But if you're gonna move to a place where they speak like a different language, and if you're planning to stay there for a very long time, I think eventually you just learn the language. But this would be useful like in the initial stages. I want to talk about the price of this. That's where I kind of feel weird. Having a separate device, again, it's not a hassle. You can keep it in your bag and you can just take it out whenever you want to use it. But the price of this is almost, not even almost, it's equal to many smartphones out there right now, many Android phones out there. Went to their website and I checked the product details on their website. The price of this is $600. Paying for a translator, $600 is like a huge amount. A good price point for this would be around like in the 150 200 range. Those kind of electronics actually serve like so many different purposes. If you buy an iPhone, you can pretty much like pay like maybe $20 or $30 or even like $99 for like a one-time payment and get like a similar software which is inside, which like a similar app which can translate in real time. Having a separate device for this is okay, but having to pay like $600, I don't think that price is like satisfying for this or justifying this. The price is the only disadvantage advantage in this. Maybe in the future, like if they can bring the price point down, I think it will be like a really pleasing tool for lots of travelers out there. So this is the iFLYTEK smart translator, and thank you iFLYTEK for sponsoring this video. And if you guys want to go and check out their products, I'll put the link down in the description. Thank you guys, and if you guys haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, it's Manish. Thank you guys. Bye bye.